Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about 3 management strategies to help with Sever's disease. The first one is, when your pain is at its worst, you want to try and limit the activities that are going to be the most aggravating, such as running and jumping, as that's going to cause more pain and irritation. The second thing is stretching. Stretching of the calf muscle is going to be beneficial because it's going to help loosen up the tight Achilles tendon, which is going to decrease the pull of that tendon where it attaches to the growth plate of the bone. A good place to start this stretch is going to be in a non-weight bearing position because it's going to be the least aggravating, which will show as a seated calf stretch. You can use a stretching strap. You can also use a belt or a dog leash. In this stretch, you want to wrap the strap over the top of your foot, and in that position, you want to pull your ankle towards you. You want to get a mild discomfort of a stretch in the back of your calf. You're going to want to do this stretch with your knee straight as well as with your knee bent. And the reason being is because there are 2 major muscles that converge into your Achilles tendon. The first muscle is your gastrocnemius muscle, which crosses your knee joint and is best stretched with your knee straight. The second one is your soleus muscle, which does not cross the knee joint and is best stretched with your knee bent. If you don't have any issues with the seated calf stretch, then you can also do the stretch in standing. With this one, you could either use a half foam roller or you can roll up your yoga mat. You want to put the top of your foot onto the foam roller. You want to take a couple steps forward until you feel the mild discomfort of a stretch. You want to do this stretch with your knee straight to stretch out the gastroc and your knee bent to stretch out the soleus. You're going to want to hold these stretches for 30 seconds. You want to do 3 rounds of them and do it 3 times a day. The last recommendation I have for you is the use of gel heel cups. The gel heel cups are going to be beneficial because it's going to increase the cushioning in the heel and decrease the pressure and pain. You can see below in the link of the heel cups that we commonly recommend to our patients. If you guys have any questions about the recommendations that I gave today, please feel free to reach out to me.